So that is why, kanang mga neckerchief, that is the symbol of being your Boy Scout. So kinanglan na siya ang inyong parents mismo ang tao na niya representing their full support to you as a member of the Boy Scout of the Philippines. So si Mama karon instead nga naa sa balay, naitrabaho karon, naa sila diri karon si Papa kay para mataod ninyo because they have their full support para sa inyo to become a Boy Scout of the Philippines. So in other words, di na ito nasayangan na privilege na gihatag sa tuang mga ginikanan. So we have to listen carefully, boys, ha? Sa atong ceremony, di mag-practice kung ganyan kung sa inyong itubag. Na-practice mo wala. Okay, so mautitimanin ninyo yung itubag, ha? Okay, let's start, so.
Asa naman yung ako.
Saan? Ngisi. Oh. Ay, luyo eh.
Mas kinaluyuhan, no? Kisa ni Mistra naman. Ika naman.
You have presented yourself before this
Maestrang
group
uban, eh.
and asked to be scouts. Is this your wish now? Repeat. I swear. You have presented yourself before this group and asked to be made scouts. Is this your wish now? In this ceremony, you will receive into this troop and into the brotherhood of scouting. As you become scouts, you will learn more of the scouting spirit. The law of the troop is the scout law. It is known to be followed by many of scouts. You will learn and follow this law to the seniors, but your leader will now recite for you the part of this law. Listen closely, for I will soon ask whether you accept this law as your own.
Wala man sa kanya paper ng high school mo. Iba na ang sa high school. Wala dito kaya pilang sports sa high school.
Basket.
Basket lang.
Kuba mo rin.
Ha?
Kuba mo rin.
Subsa na kanan.
Scout law. Scout is trustworthy.
Yung nagbayad mo ka ato dong.
He keeps his promise.
Ha?
Honesty is a part of his code of
Ang
conduct.
uwan mo gihatag
People
ang bayad.
can always depend on him.
Nga, gihatag ang bayad nga.
Scout
Naguba ang ring.
A scout is a tool to his family, friends, scout leaders, school, nation, and world community.
This.
A scout is concerned about other people. He really wants to help others without expecting payment or reward.
Seryosohag na ako ngayon. Di ko ano yung usawi.
A scout is a friend to all. He is a brother to the other scouts. He seeks to understand others. He respects those with ideas, customs that are different from his own.